So for today, I'm going to teach you how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on your Trust wallet. So first, you need to install your Trust wallet on your mobile device and simply access it by opening and make sure that you link your wallet if you have existing one, but if you don't have, just simply click the create new wallet. And after you access it, your main dashboard should look like this. For you to able to find your Bitcoin wallet address, just simply click the search icon, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. But if you see your BTC or Bitcoin on your main dashboard, you can just simply click it. But in this case, I will teach you how to find it in a raw way. So after clicking the search icon, you just have to search for BTC or Bitcoin. And after searching it, you just have to click the BTC or Bitcoin. And if you wanted to receive BTC from other exchanger, you just have to click the receive button and a QR code will pop up on your screen, as well as the alphanumeric wallet address of your BTC on your Trust wallet. So if you wanted to receive some BTC or Satoshis to your Trust wallet, simply click the copy or just save the QR code and just simply scan it or paste the copied wallet address of your Bitcoin to other exchanger. And that's how you find your Bitcoin wallet address on your Trust wallet. If you found it super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.